Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys tap vibration problem how to fix. Guys, you have tap vibration problem friends when you tap on your lava mobile phone button and screen, and friends if you tap on your lava phone keyboard, and guys your keyboard vibrate. When you tap on keyboard your keyboard vibrate, and when you tap on button. So friends, how to solve and how to fix tap vibration problem on lava mobile? In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava phone setting. After on lava phone setting friends, you can see this tap interface on your lava mobile. So friends, click here lava mobile sound setting. After on sound setting friends, you can see phone ringtone setting, and guys volume adjustment. Friends, you want to increase, you want to decrease your phone volumes, you can increase, you can decrease from your vibrate for call setting is here. Friends, you want to enable your phone vibrate for call. So guys, if you click always vibrate, so guys your lava mobile will always vibrate for call. So I will off. So friends, you can see last option advanced setting. Friends, click here and guys scroll it. Other sound and vibration guys, second last option guys, touch vibration setting is enabled on your lava phone device. So guys, you will have to disable touch vibration, and guys your problem will solve on your lava phone device. So friends, click here disable your touch vibration, and friends you can tap on your screen. Friends, you can tap on your lava phone button, and friends you can use your lava mobile keyboard without any touch and tap vibration problem. So like that friends, you can fix and you can solve guys lava mobile touch vibration problem. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. And friends, you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.